In the heart of Singapore, it stands, a giant ring of bronze, encircling dreams and fortune. This is the fountain of wealth, where water flows inward, inviting blessings to stay. They say, walk around it 3 times, and luck will follow your path. Today, I walk, not just for fortune, but for gratitude, for the journeys I've taken, and those yet to come. Every drop that falls is a whisper of hope, every ripple a reminder, that what we give, comes back to us. Here, beneath the towers of Suntec City, I stand in awe, reminded that wealth is not just in coins, but in moments, in connections, in dreams we dare to chase. May the water's song carry your wishes far, and may your heart always find its circle of fortune.